kids, let's bust a move. Monday's here, let's start the show. Grab your drums and march in a row. Left foot, right foot, step in time. March to the rhythm, feel that rhyme. Tuesday, twist and turn. Tuesday's twisty, turn around. Spin like a top, don't touch the ground. Twist your hips and clap your hands. Do the Tuesday dance across the land. Wiggle like a worm, it's Wednesday fun. Shake your shoulders, everyone. Wiggle to the front, wiggle to the side. Let your silly dance be your guide. It's the days of the week dance party. Move your feet and clap real hard. Each day's got a brand new groove. So come on kids, let's bust a move. Thursday, tap, tap, trot. Tap your toes, it's Thursday night. Trot around like you're feeling light. 1, 2, 3, now freeze in place. Then tap again with a happy face. Oh yeah. Friday's here, now it's your turn. Dance however you feel and burn. Jump up high or stomp real low. Freestyle Friday, go, go, go. Slide to the left, now slide real slow. Saturday's chill, take it nice and low. Hands in the air, sway side to side. Slow and smooth, enjoy the ride. Sunday morning, rise and shine. Stretch up tall, feel so fine. Breathe in deep, breathe out too. Ready for another week with you. It's the days of the week dance party. 7 days now, you're so smarty. From Monday to Sunday, now you know. Emilio helped your moves grow. Whoa, yeah, days of the week. Let's dance again next week.